Hello viewers, you are welcome to this channel, and today on this channel we want to talk on Yoruba Tones. Yoruba Tones. Yoruba language is a language that we put accents on our words. And why? Because if you look at the English language, we have different alphabets that we can put together that can give us different meanings. But Yoruba alphabet has very little letter. We have just 25 letters of alphabets. And with this just 25 letters, we want to pronounce as many words as English language can pronounce. Therefore, there is need for Yoruba language to have accents on their words. Even though the word can have different meanings in English language, but when it comes to Yoruba language, you will just notice that they are of the same spelling, but we pronounce them differently. And what makes the difference now is the tone that we put on each of these words. For example, let's look at Ojo. Ojo, a name of a person. Ojo is a name. At the same time, we can talk of Ojo, a coward. At the same time, you can talk of Ojo, rain. These three words, let's look at them. A name, Ojo. Coward, Ojo. Rain, Ojo. The three of them are having the same spelling. A name, O-G-O, Ojo. Coward, O-G-O, Ojo. Rain, O-G-O, Ojo. The three of them having the same spelling but pronounced differently. Now, if you now write the three words down, how will you now differentiate Ojo, a name, and Ojo, rain, and Ojo, coward? Having the three down, the tone you put on it will give you the difference. That is why in Yoruba language, we have three different tone marks that we use. Three different tone marks that we use. We can raise our voice up. When your voice is up, then your tone will be up. When your voice is down, your tone will come down. And when your voice is in the middle, you just leave it like that. And that is why we have do. When your voice is down, do, your accent will come down. Re, that is the middle. When your voice is in the middle, you just place it like that. And when we have mi, that is when your voice comes up. Then your tone too comes up. So just like any musical tones, we have do, re, mi, do. When your voice is down, re in the middle, mi when your voice is up. So when you say do, your hand will come up and down. Do, do. Re, you don't put anything on it. Mi, your hands will come from down up because you are raising up your voice. Mi, mi. Now let's look at the three now. Do, from down up, from down, from up, down. Do, do. Re, nothing. Mi, up, down, up. Do, down, from up, down. Do. Re, nothing. Mi, from down, you move up. So you now say do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. And let's look at the three words now. Ojo, a name of a person. Do, mi. Do, mi. But I want you to note this. When you are putting tones, marks on your word in Yoruba language, you place your word on vowel. You place your accents on vowels. You don't place your accents on consonant sound. No. Now let's look at the three words now. O, G, O. The first O is a vowel. The last O is a vowel. Now I want to say a name. Ojo. The first tone will be on the first vowel. O. That is O. Do. Jo. Mi. Do. Mi. O. Jo. The first tone goes on the first vowel and the second one on the second vowel. O, jo, do, mi, do, mi. Do is when your voice is down, from up, down. The last one, mi, from down, up. O, jo, do, mi. And the second one, re, o, jo. Still the same three-letter word. O, G, O. O, jo. Re, do, do. O, jo. Do, do. Do, do. From up, down. Do, do. The first O, do. The second O, do. But when it comes to ojo, coward, still the same three-letter word. O, G, O. Ojo, coward. Re, re. On it, you just write ojo. You don't put anything on it. Can we go through the three-letter words? Ojo, a name of a person. Ojo, do, mi. First letter O, do. Second O, mi, do, mi. The second one, re, o, jo. First O, do. And the second O, do, do, o, jo. You can see the difference. Do, mi, o, jo, o, jo. Do, do. And the third one, o, jo. You don't put anything on it at all. Re, re, o, jo. That is Yoruba language for you. We are having the same spelling, O, G, O, for three different words with three different pronunciations. But when it comes to English language, you have different words. But in Yoruba language, you just use the same spelling, give you different meaning and different pronunciation. If you find this video useful, subscribe, like it, share it, till I bring more of these words your way again in my next video. See you.